Welcome to the Guide to Axie Infinity Breeding Cooldown Chart, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand the complex world of Axie breeding. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Breeding is a crucial aspect of the game, and understanding the cooldown chart is essential for successful breeding. To start, it is essential to understand the concept of breeding cooldown. Breeding cooldown refers to the time it takes for an Axie to recover after breeding. This cooldown period is crucial as it determines when an Axie can breed again. The cooldown period varies depending on the Axie's breed count, with higher breed counts resulting in longer cooldown periods. The Axie Infinity breeding cooldown chart is a table that outlines the cooldown periods for each breed count. The chart is divided into two sections: the breed count and the corresponding cooldown period. The breed count ranges from 0 to 7, with 0 being the lowest and 7 being the highest. The cooldown period ranges from 5 days for a breed count of 0 to 13 days for a breed count of 7. To use the breeding cooldown chart, you need to determine the breed count of the Axie you want to breed. You can do this by checking the Axie's profile, which displays its breed count. Once you have determined the breed count, you can refer to the chart to find the corresponding cooldown period. For example, if an Axie has a breed count of 3, the cooldown period would be 8 days. It is essential to consider the cooldown period when planning your breeding strategy. A shorter cooldown period allows you to breed more frequently, while a longer cooldown period requires more planning and patience. It is also crucial to balance the cooldown period with the Axie's stats and traits to ensure you are breeding the best possible offspring. In conclusion, understanding the Axie Infinity breeding cooldown chart is crucial for successful breeding. By following this guide, you can determine the cooldown period for your Axies and plan your breeding strategy accordingly. Remember to always consider the breed count, cooldown period, and Axie stats when breeding to ensure the best possible results. With practice and patience, you can become a skilled Axie breeder and dominate the world of Axie Infinity.